welcome back for another video. So for today's video, I am going to be opening my Manny and Me subscription box. Y'all, I am so excited to finally get this. Here is my last set. If you guys are interested, it will be linked down below. So this is the box for the month of October. This box costs $30 a month. There are other payment options, like you can do every 3 months or every 6 months, every year I believe as well. And if you use the code sub5, you can save 5% off, or I'm sorry, $5 off. Also, when you first purchase the subscription box, you do get a stamper and scraper, which I think is awesome because you get everything needed to do a set. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this box. Cuddle up with October's Manny by Me box, Teddy and Me, where the warmth and nostalgia of stuffed teddy bears come to life at your fingertips. This cozy, heartwarming collection feels like a cuddly hug with 2 new limited edition stamping plates. So you get 2 exclusive stamping plates, and you get 2 cream polishes, and you also get fuzzy brown flocking nail powder. And I am here for this collection. I think it's so cute. I think it's different than like your typical October theme. Like, it's not spooky. I think it's more cozy and cute. More for fall than Halloween, I think. And I think it's so cute. So this is describing the 2 different plates. You guys can pause and read if you'd like. And it also describes the 2 polishes that come in the kit. One is a blue, like a navy blue, and the other is a light brown. They're both cream colors. Gorgeous, if I must say, and they're perfect for the fall. Now, I'm not sure if these polishes are gonna be for sale eventually. But it does say at the bottom there, early access polishes are only available in the Manny and Me box, so I'm not sure. And then it also does explain the flocking powder. Berry Companion Manicure How-To. Manny and Me's Teddy and Me collection cozies up to the warmth of autumn with a manicure that blends rich golden hues with timeless plaid and adorable fuzzy paw prints. So this is just like an inspiration picture to go by, which I think turned out so cute. And on the back there, it shows you step by step how to use the flocking powder in the polish, which is needed because that powder is confusing. I recommend these little subscription boxes. I think they're so fun and so nice. It's like a little treat every month for yourself. So yes, check the links down below and get your subscription. I love their little stickers that they add in some of their orders. I think they're so cute. I do have the other one from last month. This one says Bloom with Grace. And then I have this bat one from last year's subscription box. So first we're going to get into the polishes. We have Canterbury, which is the blue, and then we have Tea Time, which is the brown. And I will be swatching these later, so stay tuned for that. I just wanted to quickly show that I have a darker blue, which is called Kraken. It's more of a deeper color blue, a deeper blue than the one that came in this kit, but they are different. And then here is the flocking powder. I did have it with this video, but I decided to do it in a separate video because when I was editing it, it came out to like 30 minutes, and I just felt like that was too long, so I split it up. So this first video is just going to be the unboxing, if you will, of the subscription box, and then my next video coming, which will probably be tomorrow or the day after, me messing around with the polishes, and then I'll do a separate video of a set using this month's subscription box. Okay, here is the first plate. This is MXM137. In their live, I saw that you could like use these three, like A1, A2, A3, and then it has B1, B2, B3, and you can layer those and then add stuff like some of the other like frames and stuff on top of it, or bears. I do show that it'll be in my next video, but I think that's so cool that they did that. It's very messy, but it's very cute. Like the turnout is so cute. And you can use these obviously for other holidays or just regular other nail sets, which I think is cute. And this plate here is MXM138. This one is has more of the buildable bears, if you will. You can layer them. You can add them onto those like sweaters images, which, oh my gosh, they're so cute. It has like a little bear's butt, and then it has like a bear teacup, and then you can add like bows and glasses, scarves, clothes. Oh my gosh, you guys, this plate is just so cute. So now I'm just swatching these colors. This is gonna be it for this video. Remember, stay tuned for my next video, which will be tomorrow or the day after, which will be today's Monday. So I'm gonna post this one today, and then tomorrow, Tuesday, I'm gonna try to post the next one, because I have been missing, posting. The hurricane, the house, everyone's been in our house, so I've just been super busy. But that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Please stay tuned for the next one. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to check the links down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.